In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access dividend data in Tradingview. If you're an investor or trader who values dividends as part of your stock analysis, knowing how to access and interpret this information can be a game changer. Dividends provide a consistent income stream, and understanding their history and payment details is essential for making informed decisions. Tradingview, a powerful charting and analysis platform, makes it simple to visualize dividend data right on your stock charts. If you don't yet have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. To get started, open your TradingView chart and load the stock you want to analyze. This could be any stock from your watch list or portfolio that pays dividends. Once your chart is open and ready, right-click anywhere on the chart. This could be on a candlestick, a line, or even an empty space. TradingView will respond the same way and open the context menu. From this menu, click on the option labeled Settings to access the configuration panel for your chart. Inside the Settings menu, look along the left-hand side where you'll see a variety of options. Find and click on the Events tab. This is where TradingView allows you to add or remove event markers on your chart, such as earnings announcements and, most importantly for us, dividends. Once you're in the Events section, check the box next to Dividends to enable dividend markers. This step is essential because it will display small markers on your chart that represent when dividends were announced or paid out. These markers make it easy to visually track dividend activity over time without having to dig through external reports. Now that the dividend markers are visible, hover your mouse over any one of them. When you do, a pop-up will appear with detailed information about that specific dividend. This pop-up includes key details like the ex-dividend date, the payout amount per share, and the payment date. Let's quickly break these down. The ex-dividend date is the deadline by which you must own the stock in order to receive the dividend. The amount tells you how much the company is paying per share as a dividend. Finally, the payment date is when the dividend will actually be distributed to shareholders. If you want to dive deeper, click on any marker or link labeled with additional dividend information. For example, if you're analyzing Verizon stock, you might see something like More VZ dividends. Clicking this link will open a broader breakdown of the company's dividend history. This is where you can really start to analyze past payout data. You'll see a timeline of dividend dates, the amounts paid per share over time, and even the dividend yield. The yield, which is the annual dividend payment as a percentage of the stock price, can help you compare income opportunities across different stocks. It's also a great way to assess whether a company's dividends are growing or staying consistent. Take some time to explore this detailed history. Look for patterns in the dividend amounts and payment frequency. Are the payouts steadily increasing, or have they been inconsistent? Assessing this information can help you evaluate the company's financial health and decide whether it aligns with your investment goals. And there you have it, a clear step-by-step guide to accessing and analyzing dividend data in TradingView. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.